Here you go, looking at a 2014 Mobility Ventures handicap wheelchair conversion van. 16,000 original miles. This thing is flawless. Gorgeous black gray leather interior. Beautiful, beautiful condition. Laser straight, like brand new. This thing is garage kept. It's got the upgraded wheels, upgraded sound system, backup camera, power ramp. It's got the long ramp and short ramp function. Awesome, awesome vehicle. Q-string tie downs in the floor, lowered floor. Thing is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous condition. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, ask for Jeff or Ken. Supreme Motors, suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Boca Raton, Florida. We've been in business 46 years. This is what we specialize in. We try to buy and sell the absolute best quality. We service them. Try not to let any vehicles out without being in perfect shape. This thing is gorgeous. It's got to be the nicest one available in the whole United States. Don't hesitate to give us a call, 954-561-2499. Mobility Ventures, 2014, 16,000 original miles. Got your tie downs in the floor. You can secure 2 wheelchairs in here if you wanted to. Got your big screen, does have backup camera function. 16,000 original miles. So a beautiful, beautiful van. Clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean title. Absolutely flawless. Beautiful. You can get in and out from both sides. Got doors on both sides here. Ton of room in this thing. Super utility. Wheelchair can ride up front or in the back, or you can have 2. It's just a great setup. Drives great. It's a Ford drivetrain, 4.6, laser straight. I mean, this thing is gorgeous. Absolutely flawless. We take trades. We can ship to any destination worldwide. Don't hesitate to reach out to us at any time. Call or text us, Jeff or Ken at Supreme Motors, 954-561-2499. Visit us on all platforms. Supreme Motors USA, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. We're on all the platforms. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're going to give away a free handicap van. So give us a like, give us a follow. We're happy to talk to you at any time about any vehicles that we have or anything you might need. We're happy to point you in the right direction. We really care about our customers. We only have 5-star reviews. So you can go short ramp or long ramp with this guy. Awesome little setup. Show you how it works. You just push the button. There's also a controller inside the van. Pretty simple, easy setup. Done. There's also a controller right here inside on the pillar. That works perfectly as well. Just an absolutely beautiful van. 2014 Mobility Ventures. Look at that. Gorgeous. There's hardly a mark on it. Normally I can point out a few things. Bug chips, nothing on this van. I mean, it is pretty near flawless. There is nothing that you would see or complain about on this bad boy. 16,000 miles. It's premium quality, the best of the best. Call or text us anytime, 954-561-2499. The tires are about 50%. They're not new, but they're not bad either. Plenty of life left on those. Beautiful, beautiful alloy wheels. Happy to help at any time. please reach out to us. Call, text, email, direct message. However you got to hit us up, do it. Love to hear from you. 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.